What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to move Steam games to another drive on your Mac. First, if you wish to use an external drive, then make sure it's properly connected and formatted. You can use Disk Utility to quickly verify if your external SSD or HDD is using the proper format. Search for Disk Utility in your Spotlight search. On this window, click on View in the top navigation and then Show all devices. Once this is done, select the top-level drive and make sure you use APFS, macOS Extended or Journaled, or exFAT. Otherwise, save important files and reformat your drive by clicking Erase. When this is done, open up your Steam library. Here, find the game you wish to move or install on another drive. Click on Install if the game is not installed on your Mac yet, and then you might not see your other drive listed here. Click on the cog icon and your Steam storage settings will open up. Here, click on this arrow on the top right and then select Add Drive. You might need to give Steam some storage permissions on your other drive. Then, select the correct drive from this list and then click on Add. Once this is done, you can head back to your Steam library. Click on Install again and then your other drive will be listed here. If the game is already installed on your Mac and you want to move it to another drive, then the safest thing to do is uninstall and reinstall it. But you can also access your game files and move those over. You need to make sure to use the correct folder. In your Finder, find the Steam library folder that holds all of your locally stored games and their data. Navigate to Steam Apps, Common. Here, move the entire folder into the other common folder that was created when you installed a game for the first time on your other drive. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.